Hello, 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 hello. This is your host Noor Ali with the right tools for right job. I hope you can see my screen. Yeah, I think I had too much light there. So there we go. I know it's been a couple of days, a couple of weeks actually. I have not uploaded a video. I've been crazy on the shorts. I think by the time end of this month, I think I'm going to master creating shorts on YouTube. I've done so many of them by now. I think I'm going to nail it. Right? That's the aim and that's the goal. So today's presentation, today's video will be a shootout or shout out, not shootout or shout out. Anyway, I keep things very simple, right? Because simplicity is the best way to go. Okay, here we are. There you go. Okay, I hope you can read that right. First of all, I want to shout out to all the subscribers, viewers, watchers, audience for all the comments, likes, and views. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart and soul. Most important skill set in any career, field, and craft and trade is the following. This is called recap. Recap. Is it recap on top? Okay. Time to recap. All right. Common sense. You agree, you may not agree. Different strokes for different folks. You do you, right? I will always remember about 2 years ago, I worked on a project as a Okta admin, desktop engineer, Zoom, Teams, Microsoft, Azure. We did all kinds of stuff over there. Anyway. This guy used to take my tickets a lot, my troubleshooting tickets. And he was just a ticket taker. I said, hey, you want to take all my tickets? Go ahead, man. Anyway. So what he used to tell me, Ali, you do you. Okay, I said, whatever it takes, man. Anyway. Today I'm going to keep at this screen that you see, right? How do we learn? How do we educate ourselves? How do we increase our knowledge? How do we grow every day, right? Remember, common sense, intelligence, good work ethics, time, punctuality. Start on time, finish on time. Okay? That includes time tracking and time management, working with others. And the big word over there is collaborate. Can you work with others as a team player? Big thing in the world. Street smart plus book smart. Hard skill plus soft skills. Are you tech savvy? Like I said, are you a team player? Can you work alone? Can you deliver on time? Can you think outside the box? Are you creative? Do you have empathy? Can you do collaboration? Collaborate with others if needed and required. Do you have compassion towards others? Do you have passion towards field of technology? What I'm saying is 110% correct if you are still in field of technology. Please ponder on that, what I said above. Okay? Ponder. Let's go back. Memorize this. Memorize this right here. Memorize it. I'm not kidding, right? 110% of all the job JD, known as job description, in international, in global, or local level, requires this, right? Besides, you can have your degree, whatever field, trade, craft. Now, you can have a bachelor's, you can have an associate, you can have dual associate, you can have dual bachelor's, you can have a bachelor's and a master's, you can have a bachelor's, master's, PhD. It don't make no difference. It don't make no difference anymore, right? You got to have this right here. What I say, this right here, okay? You got to have it, okay? You don't have that, you're not going to get your foot into any job, any contract whatsoever, okay, whatsoever. And I mean that, okay? Nowadays, companies are, or hiring managers are too damn picky. Remember, AI is coming in, okay? Outsourcing at the recruiting level has been outsourced. International level, national level, local level, right? It's been outsourced like crazy, okay? So, master these skills for rest of your life. It doesn't make a difference if you're a plumber, electrician, installer, cable tech, locksmith, pest controller guy, gardening, lawn maintenance, bricklayer, any trade, any craft out there at the international level, at the global level, at the local level, at your city, state, county. Let me repeat that again. State, city, county. Okay? Or suburb. You gotta know this. Okay? You gotta know this. Practice. Try. Let me repeat that again. Practice. Try. You have to put in your time to be a master, to be a tech level 1, tech level 2, tech level 3, or master technician. Okay, they call it journeyman electrician. Why? Because they put their time. They're journeyman. They know it, right? Same thing happens in locksmith, master locksmith. And there are many other fields in trade and craft where the word master comes in after you have spent many years in the field, right? Street smart. What did I say? Street smart. Then you end up at the book smart. Hard skill versus soft skill. Okay? What I'm mentioning over here is soft skill. What I mentioned about craft and trade is called hard skill, right? You have seen my tools in my shorts, right? Those are the tools I own and have at the house. Okay? Now, plumbers may have bigger tools. Electrician may have more tools. Cable guy will have more tools. Installer will have more tools. Whatever craft trade they choose, right? But as a tech guy, as a person who lives in a condominium apartment or a house, no matter where you live, what state, what city, doesn't make a difference. You're going to have some tools in your collection to do small jobs, medium jobs, trying to save money, right? Because you can't be calling technicians all the time. You're going to go broke, man, right? You should know how to do at least mop, sweep, vacuum, carpet vacuuming. Take care of your front lawn, take care of your back lawn, trim the trees, clean the dirt, throw the trash, and clean the trees when they fall. Okay? You need to know all that. You need to do your own pest control. You need to know how to replace the filters in your ACs. You got to know this. Okay? You have to know this. All right? These are hard skill sets. Okay? And then, of course, what did I say? Common sense intelligence, right? Time tracking, right? So, I don't get fancy. I've been in fancy positions most of my career. I want to be a layman, right? A layman, right? Basic necessities in life. Like in Jungle Book, right? You know, Mowgli and the bear. I hope you remember the song from Jungle Book, Mowgli and the bear, right? Bare necessities, right? Okay, anyway. So, remember this, know this. This is like a Bible code now, right? Keep that in mind, that if you are job hunting, If you're out there, whoever wants to hire you will hire you. I don't care if you send hundreds of resumes, 2,000 resumes, 3,000 resumes, do hundreds of applications. If they don't want to hire you, they ain't going to hire you. Period. Right? Okay. There's an early age ageism and there's an old age ageism. Early age ageism, some companies is 50, 55, and 60. Ageism is going to hit. And kid you not, it's going to hit even earlier than that you think, right? It's going to start maybe at 40, at 45. I'm not lying, man. I'm not lying. Okay? Robots, we already know they're taking place in industries, right? AI, job bots, email bots, all kinds of bots are out there, all right? They're taking over redundant stuff. Those people who used to do redundant stuff, humans, people like me and you, they have been replaced by AI. They've been replaced by robots, right? Okay. Now, how do you defeat that? How do you fill the gap? Say if you're in your 30s, 40s, late 50s, and you're still in the workforce. Educate, train yourself, get hands-on skill set, period. Educate, train yourself, get hands-on skill set, period. There is no ifs, there is no buts. No matter what part of the world you live in today, okay? The global environment, the global world is getting smaller and smaller. I kid you not, man. 98% of all the jobs that's supposed to be in USA, in the local state, city, and in the IT sector especially, are all outsourced. I kid you not, only few remaining. Only few remaining, right? And even for those jobs, we're fighting like cats and dogs, right? They're outsourced to India. They're outsourced to Bangladesh. They're outsourced to Mexico. They're outsourced to Philippines, Singapore, and other countries, okay? Those big global companies do. They hire cheap people in foreign countries, and they save millions and billions in stock market in the USA, right? Because they want to pay dividends to the people who buy and sell stocks. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. The fight, the struggle is even going to get harder and harder. So what is your answer? Educate. Take hands-on skill set. Get into a trade. Something that you can do by your hands. You don't need a damn robot to do it. You know how to use tools? Get to it. Do it. All right? I know my skill set. I know my talents. And time comes, I'll do it myself. You've seen my shorts. You've seen my tools. Right? So, educate, educate, educate. Learn, learn, learn. Take hands-on skill set courses in your lifetime. If you're young, hands-on skill set. That is known as a craft and a trade. Combo, craft and trade, practice, practice, practice. The more you do, the more you learn. Try, try, try. You got to take the first step. Remember, you got to take the first step. You don't take the first step, you ain't going to get there to the finish line. All right? I took the first step in my YouTube. By the grace of God, I have 2 YouTube channels today. I took the first step. Now I'm doing what? Try, 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 practice, practice, practice. Try, 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 practice, practice, practice. And I will get to the finish line. That is the aim. That is the goal. Okay? All right. So we're going to go to the first page. Read that. Time to recap. Right tools for right job. Okay? Like it says over here. Read this. Okay? How do we learn? How do we learn? Some people learn by reading. Some people learn by seeing, watching, doing, trying. And some people learn by listening. That's why I'm adding my voice. So people can listen. Okay? So once again, shout out to all my subscribers, viewers, watchers, audience. For all the comments, likes, views, thanking. you all from the bottom of my heart, bottom of my soul. And my aim, my goal is to bring real life, actual content that is connected to IT. Right tools for right job. IT means information technology, and other tools that connects human beings to trade and craft. Okay? Right tools for right job. This is your host, Noor Ali. Like it says over here, right tools for right job. Share, teach, learn, and grow. Share, teach, learn, and grow. Share, teach, learn, and grow. Here you got. You like my channel, you like my content, subscribe. There it is, right there. Subscribe. God bless you all. Till next time.